On the bed.
Okay, baby, this is your new bed. Grandma and Grandpa, everybody helped out. Theo, Mimi helped to make it. We helped to make it, and Grandma helped to buy it. Grandpa, now can you climb up there?
Go
Look,
all the way
it's
up.
Buzz Lightyear up there.
And Woody, go.
On bed.
Go all the way up.
Climb.
It's okay.
It's okay. Can you do it by yourself? Be careful. Help it. Don't let him fall. Can you get it? Wow.
Yay.
Yay. Can you go lay down? Go lay down and get under your covers.
Pillow.
Look, you got a Woody pillow. Wow. Is that cool? It'd be like you lay in here. Look, lay in here. Try it. Lay in here.
Wait.
Yeah. That.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, it's like your own bed. It's just for you. Stick your tongue in. What's going on? Do you like it?
Look it down.
Can you get down? Can you get down? Let's see if you can do it.
Put your tongue in your mouth. What are you doing? Feel the ladder.
Fine.
I'm trying.
Oh.
There it is.
Watch it. Help him. Don't let him fall backwards. You got it?
Sit down.
Keep going.
Oh.
Feel it? There you go. Feel the next one.
Good job.
Yay! And look, when you can hide underneath there, you can put your toys, you can play.
Why are these boards not there?
Yeah, we'll fix that.
That's like they're part of it.
I just that.
Do you like it?
Do you
You
like
gonna
it?
go up again? Cool.